I had to remove this hook from this dozer to do some repairs on its center portion. Its holes that house the equalizer bar pin have worn. I'm limited with space in the engine bay, so removing the hook was my only option. Once that was out the way, I set up to line bore. If you don't do this kind of work, here's some information you may not know. The actual line boring is the quickest part of this job. It's all the preparing that takes time. Making space to set up, making sure you're aligned properly, the fitting of parts that I'll soon get to, and fitting parts you have stripped. Anyways, I bored the holes for a press fit diameter for these hardened bushings. I used the puller I made to insert them. Personally, I think having these bushings there are an advantage. They will take longer to wear than the cast steel the pin was originally housed in. And if they are to wear, you can just replace the bushings. Not that I think it would, but I put the stopper here to prevent the bushing from coming out. This side didn't need one, it gets a locking plate that bolts on to hold the pin. I then welded the hook back on to finish off this part of the dozer job. There's other parts that still need some attention back at the workshop, so I headed back to continue the job.